Baidu's autonomous ride-hailing platform, Apollo Go, announced on Monday that it is expanding the commercial operation area and the service time of its fully driverless taxi service in central China's Wuhan. It is the first company in China to provide such kind of service during evening hours. Currently, with over 50 fully driverless taxis in operation, Apollo Go covers an operation area of more than 130 square kilometers in Wuhan, serving a population of over 1 million. Apollo Go has witnessed a rapid growth in Wuhan, where it began operations in May and started to offer commercial robotaxi service in August. As one of the leading regions for automobile industry innovation in central China, Wuhan has more than 400 kilometers of roads with intelligent networks, ranking among the top in China.